What's up, y'all? This Champ checking in. This part 2 of the Bronco video. As y'all can see, we finna get ready to assemble the wire harness. We're gonna take this fender off so we can get a better look at it. So get to what we need, so y'all stay tuned. So first thing first, we're on the passenger side. We're gonna have to unclip 3 of these plug-ins and then push it out. This is the beginning of the wire harness. Just wanted to show y'all the up close details right in there. Stay tuned. We got the new wire harness in. We're starting to build up from here. We'll start putting everything on and aligning it up as we go. It's the new wire, this the old wire. We done ran it all the way across so far to right here. And that's what we're doing this for. All the wire harness we had to take out right here. Ooh. You can see it's the complete wiring assembly for the whole front end, man. We had to replace, y'all. Got a lot of technology electrical. This was the damage right here. We got spliced, so we was gonna try to fix this, but we ended up finding a whole new wire harness, so we went with that instead. So yeah.
OE, we do it OE.
OEM. Just wanted to show y'all that, man. Hard work. Truth, y'all, we finna jump her. Got everything on, we got the coolant. No juice. No juice. We're trying to figure out why she's not turning over. We're playing with this battery. Testing it. She probably got juice now. Let's see. Had to come to AutoZone to get my battery charged, man. We finna test the battery. I'll let y'all know. Stay tuned. So, as you guys can see, we ended up having to take this fully apart, the fuse box. And as you guys can guess, that's where the issue was. For some reason, those 3 plugs at the bottom weren't connecting to the fuse box correctly, giving it full juice, which caused the car to do little weird stuff like the dash would come on, but it wouldn't turn over, it'd click, or you know, it was just making a little weird noise, doing a little weird stuff, man. So that was the problem. So after a day or two of troubleshooting, y'all, we finally figured out the problem. Pops was able to get that thing started for a quick turnover. Just know we had to do a lot of work right here in the fuse box, man. It was not connecting. So just stay tuned, y'all. We're gonna get a video of that thing turning over.
Huh? What?
I keep touching this area and it make that noise go down. That's the way it's supposed to be. But it didn't hear it going down. It's in the. I'm gonna have to wait till we crank it up again. Because every time I touch that, what's that? It kicked down like that. 13.64.
What's up, y'all? This Champ checking back in, man. It's the next day. It's Monday. I'm up here at the auction. I'm finna go look at a list of cars I got. I'm checking out, trying to keep the rental car service going and just some cars to sell. As y'all know, I am a dealer. Champ Automobiles LLC. Look me up on Instagram, etc. Also, I'm up here to look at a Bronco. As you guys know, me and my dad kind of winged it on putting the front end together based off YouTube videos we seen and other content creators and stuff. So shout out to y'all. But it's like 1 or 2 cores that we don't know what it plugs into, what it connects to. So while I'm up here, I'm gonna take a look at the Bronco and kind of diagnose it and see what we come up with. So y'all stay tuned, man. When I get in here, I'm gonna show y'all some cars I'm looking at, give y'all an idea of what I do as a dealer when I come to these inspections and what type of vehicles and stuff I'm looking at, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm dropping gems. Peace. That's the auction, man. When you first come in, you got the high-end cars right here. Situation. Keep y'all in the loop, man. That's pretty much how it works, man. You get out here, you walk, go look at these cars. They got a little bit of everything, whatever you're looking for. I come out here with a list of cars and I go off my checklist. I check X and O's if I like it or not. And that's pretty much how it go. We get to turn over the cars, crank them up. We can't drive them. When COVID came, they stopped letting us test drive, but it's all good because, you know, I got a routine that I do to check the vehicles and see if I like them, and I go from there. If I like it, you know, we push forward. Y'all know what I'm here for, though, so stay tuned. So I was looking around, and I think I spotted her. Yes, sir. Looking all around, test driving cars. Well, not test driving them, but you know, turning them over, checking the check engine light, seeing how they do. Before I leave, I want to show y'all my process of deciding if I'm gonna purchase a car or not. I want to show y'all the 5 steps I go through and keep y'all in the loop, man. So get your pen and paper ready. You might want to take some notes, people. You know how hard it was to find a Bronco in the auction? Because most people don't want to let you come look at it, man. But I found one, so look at this beauty. I figure I'll show y'all on this car how the steps I take to deciding if I want to purchase a vehicle or not. First thing first, you got to go in the vehicle, turn it over, make sure it has power. It's nice in here. So what I like to do is get in, turn her over. It's the first thing I do. Check the windows. Make sure the windows going up and down. Front and back. Make sure all the windows work fully functional. Definitely got to check the AC. Want to make sure the AC working. What else do I do in here? AC, radio, you know, you just look for any type of issues for the most part. Just diagnose, check it out. But the main thing when you're inside the car, you want to check the AC. You want to check the windows, make sure the windows working, there's no issues. Of course, check the miles, check the dash for any type of codes, check engine lights, anything like that. Rev it a little bit. You want to hear how that thing sound, make sure that turbo coming on in. And yeah, man, that's it for the inside, y'all, for the most part. Now out here, it's a different ball game, ladies and gentlemen. We don't play out here. You gotta check that motor, check that oil. Check the oil line. You might want to wipe it usually so you can get a real diagnostics. I check that coolant. That coolant over there look nice and good. I check all compartments around here. Make sure the battery good. You just want to make sure everything is how it's supposed to be, y'all. That's pretty much it. No major issues. And make sure it look good. The Ford Bronco has a lot of showing wires. I don't know why they didn't hide them, but it is what it is. And yeah, man, just check it out and go from there. Go around the car, make sure there's no body damage. Make sure you ain't got no dents and dings somewhere, some hidden damages. And man, that's how you do the inspection, baby. And if you like it, you buy it. Stay tuned, y'all. Peace. I ended up going with the Ford grill. You know, if you know I got the Raptor, I like the 3 lights in the front with the ambient lights. So definitely, I'm finna install the Ford. You just gotta put the 2 letters in. I think they do that for so they don't have any copyright issues with Ford. So they send it like that, and you gotta both the 2 other letters in yourself. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna put that in. Show y'all how that look on the grill. Also, it came with the wiring. We got to connect it to the fuse box. I'm gonna keep that on the video as well. What's up, y'all? I'm finna get ready to bolt the whole fender in completely and everything. So I'm gonna take this door off first. And how you do that is you take this plug out and it got 2 bolts. And take this off and then we'll go from there. Stay tuned.
it rides like that. I ain't got no lights on, so that just ride like that?
It might be on automatic. Pop's test driving the wheel. What you think about it so far, Pop?
Man, ride's good. Got nice, good turbo power. You know, it's twin turbos. It's riding pretty good, man. I'm impressed with the car alone. Navigations is working all good. We don't even have to pay for that.
Fully functional. We just picked her up from Ford. They had to reset the drivetrain module. So we just giving it the first little test run, make sure everything dialed in, and so far so good, man. She riding pretty smooth. I got an alignment appointment set up for tomorrow, man, and then she gonna be riding even smoother, but yeah. What's up, y'all? Champ checking back in, man. This is gonna be the end of part 2. As y'all can see, we got the grill on, we got the hood, we got the headlights. Shout out to my driver for going out to Bama and grabbing that headlight for me. I just got it back from Ford. They had to calibrate the drivetrain module. As y'all can see, we did our first test run. Everything running good. We're gonna run the autos on. I'm trying to fix the AC right now, so I gotta get a fuse. But other than that, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Peace.